Imagine a place where healing combines medicine and faith. This unique blend defines Zambia's healthcare approach. Declared a Christian nation in 1991, Zambia's health services reflect deep religious influences. Today, we explore Zambia's faith-based counseling and its significance. In Zambia, healthcare and Christian beliefs intertwine visibly. Approximately 30% of healthcare services arise from mission hospitals. These hospitals are pivotal in providing care across the nation. Local churches also play crucial roles through counseling ministries and pastoral care networks. Many Zambians often rely on prayer and pastoral counsel for health decisions, blending faith with medical needs. The Church's Health Association of Zambia, or CHAZ, plays a vital coordinating role here. It links over 200 church-based health facilities with the government. CHAZ's approach combines biomedical care with spiritual support, especially in vital areas like maternal health and mental health. This model acknowledges that spiritual well-being is tied closely to physical and emotional health. Now, let's look at the types of faith-based mental health care found in Zambia. Research highlights 6 main service types. First, we have faith-based biomedical facilities, like mission hospitals with specialized psychiatric units. These include Chikankata Mission Hospital and Lusaka Adventist Hospital. Next, faith-based organizations, such as Restored Hope Zambia, offer community mental health support. They focus on helping abuse survivors through church-based support groups. Religious leader counseling involves trained clergy, like Catholic priests or Pentecostal pastors, addressing psychological issues. Faith healing ministries emphasize miraculous healing through prayer. These are common in charismatic churches across Zambia. There's also traditional faith syncretism. This involves merging Christian practices with indigenous beliefs found in some African independent churches. Lastly, integrated spiritual psychological care combines evidence-based therapy with faith elements. This can be seen in Christian counselor networks and church-based trauma healing programs. Each type offers distinct methods and outcomes. For instance, while faith healing ministries provide immediate spiritual support, integrated care takes a more gradual approach. This combines cognitive practices with spiritual elements for better long-term results. Let's consider the theological foundations shaping these counseling methods. Zambia's Christian counseling reflects diverse theological backgrounds. Pentecostal charismatic frameworks focus on spiritual warfare and deliverance, associating mental distress with spiritual afflictions. This perspective shapes counseling conducted in many rapidly growing Pentecostal churches in Zambia. Mainline Protestant and Catholic traditions integrate psychological concepts alongside spiritual care in pastoral counseling, using therapeutic techniques together with spiritual direction. Additionally, African independent church perspectives blend Christian and indigenous ideas. This creates unique approaches that incorporate traditional healing methods within Christian beliefs. Individuals often navigate between these different faith-based methods based on personal beliefs and their understanding of mental distress. Research shows that faith-based counseling in Zambia can yield positive mental health outcomes. Some studies emphasize the importance of community support, healing, and meaning-making in addressing mental health challenges. Organizations, like Restored Hope Zambia, illustrate this by supporting trauma survivors through compassion and care. However, caution is necessary. Some findings reveal potentially harmful practices in faith-based settings, such as misinterpreting serious mental conditions or discouraging medical treatment. In extreme cases, individuals may experience abusive acts disguised as spiritual interventions. This duality underscores the need for critical evaluation of faith-based approaches. While they can offer significant benefits, it's essential to ensure protection against harmful practices through standards and regulations in the field. In summary, Zambia's faith-based counseling approaches reflect a rich interplay between health and spirituality. Various models offer unique perspectives on healing. They can greatly benefit the community, promoting wellness in ways that resonate deeply with individuals. If you're intrigued by faith-based healing and its effects on mental health, consider exploring more. Subscribe to our channel for insightful discussions and updates on this rich topic. Together, we can foster a deeper understanding of faith and healing.